In this video, we're going to share a hack through which you can insert GPS locations into your DSLR camera photos you clicked in Google Photos. Let's begin. The first thing to do is make sure you're enrolled in location history on your Google account. Please note that it also enables the timeline feature on Google Maps. You can check to make sure you're both on these services on either Android or iOS. Here's how. Open the Google app and tap on your profile picture. Tap on Manage your Google account. Now tap the Data and Personalization tab. Then look for the Activity Controls box, and then check the Location History item. The next step is to add these DSLR pictures to your Google Photos app, either by web or by uploading the files to your phone. Once uploaded, Google Photos automatically figures out the location of where you took each picture based on the time printed onto the EXIF metadata and your location history. Just make sure that you have set your camera's clock and daylight saving time correctly. You can also tap on any photo and then swipe up to tap on the location annexed with the photo. It will take you to Google Maps. You can also tap on the nearby three-dot icon and select Remove Location to disassociate the data from the picture. And not to mention, you can also manually edit the locations of your photos within Google Photos on mobile. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.